What's next for today?
We are going to do dramatic gasp and see if we can scare them off.
Yeah. Oh, you're the guy I met on Tinder. You liked my picture on Tinder.
Did I?
Yeah.
I'm Jack. Hello.
Hi, Jack.
It's good to finally meet
Yeah, you wrote me every day like, hey.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Melissa.
Oh, well, I'm Jack.
Hi, Jack.
I didn't even
Finally, we meet.
like
yeah.
That,
Yeah.
My bad,
You were like obsessed with me.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, yeah. Okay. Well, hello. How
Well,
are
like, it's so funny because we walk by each other. You probably would have ignored me. I don't know.
I never.
But like,
you
you were like, I'm in love with you, everything. Yeah.
I don't really use Tinder like that.
On Tinder, you kept going, and I checked you out.
How long ago was it?
This was like a few months ago. A few months
I
ago.
haven't used Tinder like a year.
So maybe it was like 6 months ago. I don't know. Maybe winter time. Maybe when you were like, oh, I need a cuddle buddy, and I was just like, no. You know?
Like, nah,
no.
yeah. Oh, shit,
Jake, right?
Jack.
Okay. Well, I'll see you on Tinder.
Yeah, for real though. It's good to finally meet you.
It's so nice to meet you.
I'm at the finish line if you want to stop by.
Oh, word, that's really cool.
Yeah, I got
Jack, I have a YouTube channel. Is it okay if we use this video for YouTube?
Wait, what?
Oh, darn. She's right there.
Oh, shit.
So yes?
Sure. Wait,
Thank you, Jake.
Wait.
You want to add our YouTube channel?
Oh, wait. So we didn't meet.
No.
Yo, I knew from. I'm like, yo, what is this right now? Yo, I want to be like polite and be like, yo, I don't fucking know you.
You're so beautiful.
Who are you?
I am your daughter. It's so nice to meet you. I'm your long-lost daughter.
Really?
Yeah. We look alike.
I don't even know who this
We
is.
look alike.
Do you know this person?
We look alike.
Okay. Thank you.
You're on my YouTube channel. That was my comedy video. I hope you don't mind. I scared the shit out of you.
Okay.
God bless. Looking for somebody named Melissa.
What's your name, Melissa?
Founder.
Founder.
You got me. He was looking for me on his GPS.
Oh, I bet. You definitely won.
It's okay.
What's up, Melissa?
I'm here, and I've been here all day.
Yeah, what do you do here?
I make YouTube videos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. On your GPS, you're supposed to be like,
There's a camera
hey,
over there.
wanna go
Crazy,
take a
there's
walk?
really a camera over there.
Wanna go take a walk with us?
You know, that's what you need to do.
Pose. Victoria's Secret. Pose. Are you gonna pose?
No.
Bust a move.
What's the move?
So what's the purpose of this?
We have a YouTube channel. You're the guy I met on Tinder.
Huh?
Hello. Hi, Mom.
Hugs.
You're my mom. Hi, Mommy. Hi,
Mommy, I don't believe that I have this
You're my mom.
cute daughter.
Oh, Mom. Let's go. Let's dance.
What's that?
My lad.
What kind of dance you want?
Hey. You're my long lost brother.
How's it
Say
going?
hi. Are you my long lost brother?
I am.
You are?
Oh yeah.
I'm so happy. You're on my YouTube channel. Do you mind?
No, no.
Well, hi.
Just want a hug.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Oh my God. Your necklace is so beautiful. Wow. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien.
Oh my Lord. Me gusta tu ropa. Is that my coffee? Is that mine?
You want it?
That's mine?
It's brand new.
It's brand new?
Yeah.
You're so... Hi. Do you remember me?
No, I
We grew up together in middle school.
What school?
Me and you and my friend.
What school?
In the bean school.
No,
Bean? It was the bean. The super bean. Of course you can.
What does Tinder mean?
Tinder. It's an application. And you liked my picture on Tinder. So now I have to approach you.
remember.
Huh?
I'm trying to remember the application.
But it's okay. Next time, I have to go back into my station.
Are you like a spy or something?
Yes.
I knew it. I knew you were like kind of spy.
I'm a spy.
I'm a devil spy.
Oh, you're a spy too? Wow. You're a spy?
Because I know you're making it up and I'm making it up.
I'm a spy.
Seriously?
I'm gonna disappear.
No.
Free hugs! Oh my god. Mama!
Are you guys like pledging a sorority? No.
We just have hugs.
Or just in love?
The circle of trust.
All right. Okay.
This is the circle of trust.
Thank you.
Circle. Say hi. See you later, alligator.
So long, crocodile.
There you go. Perfect.
What's good?
Win the van. What's